Digital marketing is evolving at a breakneck pace, and AI is the game changer rewriting the rules. From personalized content to smart automation, it's revolutionizing the way brands connect with audiences, driving results like never before. So let's dive in and learn more about it. Watch the video until the end to get the complete picture of how AI is transforming the marketing world. AI has arrived, bringing immense power and transforming the way we engage with audiences. From personalized content to automated campaigns, AI is revolutionizing marketing. AI is ushering in hyper-personalized, highly targeted marketing. AI is poised to reshape the digital marketing landscape. AI in digital marketing pinpoints your ideal audience with incredible accuracy. Gone are the days of broad demographics and guesswork. AI tools analyze massive datasets, uncovering hidden consumer behavior patterns. This ensures your message reaches those most interested. AI-powered targeting eliminates waste, ensuring every dollar works hard. In today's digital world, consumers are bombarded with an overwhelming amount of content. To cut through the noise, your message needs to be relevant, engaging, and tailored to the individual. That's where AI-powered content personalization comes in. By analyzing user data, AI algorithms can predict preferences, interests, and even purchase intent. This allows you to deliver customized content experiences that resonate deeply with your audience. Let's say you're an online retailer selling books. AI can track a customer's browsing history, past purchases, and even their social media activity to recommend books they're most likely to enjoy. This personalized approach not only enhances the customer experience, but also increases the likelihood of a purchase. By delivering the right content at the right time, you can nurture relationships, build loyalty, and drive sales more effectively than ever before. Time is precious, especially in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. AI is here to lighten your workload and maximize your efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing campaigns in real time. From scheduling social media posts to bidding on ad placements, AI-powered tools can handle the heavy lifting, freeing you to focus on strategic planning and creative ideation. Imagine launching an advertising campaign across multiple social media platforms. AI can analyze performance data in real time, adjusting bids, targeting parameters, and even add creative to optimize for conversions. This dynamic approach ensures that your campaign is always performing at its peak, maximizing your return on investment. By automating routine tasks and leveraging AI-driven insights, you can achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and effectiveness in your digital marketing efforts. In today's always-on world, customers expect instant gratification. They want answers to their questions, solutions to their problems, and personalized support, all at their fingertips. That's where AI-powered chatbots come in. These intelligent virtual assistants can engage with customers 24/7, providing instant support, answering frequently asked questions, and even guiding them through the sales funnel. Imagine a customer browsing your website late at night, looking for information about a specific product. An AI-powered chatbot can instantly greet them, answer their questions, and even offer personalized recommendations. This level of instant, always available support not only enhances the customer experience, but also frees up your human agents to focus on more complex inquiries. By seamlessly integrating chatbots into your website and social media platforms, you can provide exceptional customer service around the clock. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in digital marketing is its ability to predict future trends and behaviors. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and what's likely to resonate with your audience in the future. Imagine being able to anticipate customer needs before they even arise. AI can analyze past purchase data, website traffic patterns, and even social media conversations to identify emerging trends and predict future demand. This allows you to proactively adjust your marketing strategies, optimize inventory levels, and even develop new products and services that are perfectly aligned with your target market's evolving needs. By harnessing the power of AI-driven insights, you can make smarter decisions, minimize risks, and stay ahead of the curve. The impact of AI in digital marketing is not just theoretical. It's backed by real-world success stories from businesses of all sizes. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify are leveraging AI to personalize recommendations, optimize pricing, and enhance the customer experience. And it's not just tech giants that are reaping the benefits. Small businesses are also finding innovative ways to use AI to level the playing field and compete with larger players. Take, for example, a local bakery that uses AI to analyze customer data and identify the most popular pastries in each neighborhood. They can then optimize their delivery routes, adjust their baking schedule, and even personalize their marketing messages to promote the most sought-after treats in each area. This level of data-driven decision-making allows them to maximize efficiency, reduce waste, and delight their customers with personalized recommendations. The world of AI in digital marketing is vast and constantly evolving. From chatbots and predictive analytics to personalized content and automated campaigns, the possibilities are endless. By embracing these powerful tools and integrating them into your marketing strategies, you can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, effectiveness, and customer engagement. Don't be intimidated by the technical aspects of AI. There are numerous user-friendly tools and platforms available that make it easy to harness the power of AI without needing a degree in computer science. Start by experimenting with different AI-powered solutions, track your results, and gradually integrate these technologies into your existing marketing workflows. The digital marketing landscape is changing at an unprecedented pace, and those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's quickly becoming a must-have for businesses that want to remain competitive in the digital age. By embracing AI-powered tools and strategies, you can gain a significant advantage in reaching your target audience, delivering exceptional customer experiences, and driving meaningful results. The good news is that you don't have to be a tech expert to get started with AI in digital marketing. There are countless resources available to help you learn the basics, experiment with different tools, and find the solutions that best fit your business needs. The key is to start exploring the possibilities today and embrace the transformative power of AI. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping the digital landscape and empowering businesses of all sizes to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency, engagement, and growth. By understanding the capabilities of AI and embracing its potential, you can gain a significant competitive advantage and unlock a world of opportunity for your brand. So, what are you waiting for? The future of digital marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the AI revolution, harness its power, and unlock the full potential of your digital marketing strategies. Don't miss out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to watch my other AI-related videos for more insights.